I'm coming up with this simple makeup look right here, so I'll be doing this eye for this time. I don't want to take too long, and because it's an everyday look, so we will get started. So let me just put my hair back, and then I have my own music. I'll be starting off with my, well, I already primed my lid with this side. Well, actually this side. And so I put a primer, and I used the MORPHE primer. So I've been using this one, and this one is a very good product. I used this one for my eyebrows and then on my eyelid. So I like this one. And then I'll be using pretty much a very simple product. So I'll be using Milk products, which is this one. And this one has like a stack of all these. Ooh. And then I got this orange look, and then I got this brown look. And these colors, oh my god, they're the best shit ever. Like, these are super like my jam, my cup of tea. So I'll be using that for this. How to do this simple, easy makeup look. I just started working at this place over here in Burbank. To be honest, sometimes I feel like I don't really want to put on makeup. And this is a very simple, yet like, I see it as like edgy, but at the same time, I did get comments on it, and they asked me if I had color eyes or if I had blue eyes, and I'm like, oh, this is, I mean, no, my eyes are pretty light, but I was a little flattered and a little like, brush off my shoulder, because I was excited that they actually thought that I had color eyes. It's very, very simple, and it just takes like a couple steps, but at the same time, it's simple. Like, anybody could do this. So I'll be taking from my Melt eyeshadow right now. I'll be taking my favorite color. My favorite, it's called Rubbish. So this color, which is right here, Rubbish. A tapered brush. It's thicker, but at the same time, it's more longer. And I'll be placing that just on top of my lid. Just kind of placing a little light color on top of my cut crease. And what you want to do is just kind of get that color even all over the lid. So once you get a little bit of here and a little bit on the corner, we're going to be switching to this fluffy brush from Morphe, obviously. So this was more of a fluffier brush, fatter. Obviously, you can see that it's kind of blocking half of my eyelid, and you just want to just blend the whole thing up. And then you're just gonna do those swipey motions all over the lid, like this. And then once you see it's an even coat all over the lid, like this one, I'm going to be grabbing a little bit more of a denser brush. And this one's a MAC brush, and a color that I love, which be Rust, which is this color. And I'll be placing that color right on top of the lid, just right a little bit above that color. You see that? And then I'll grab a little bit more product, close my eyelid, and then just go on top of it. Just kind of placing it, not too harsh, just that. And then from there, grab a little bit of product, and I just like to intensify the color a little bit more. And then I'm just gonna pack it in from the inner corner. But mostly you wanna just concentrate a little bit more, just a little bit, not a lot, just because this is like a very simple eyeshadow. But you want to concentrate it a little bit over here. And it's basically, you're just going to do this kind of motion like this, instead of just going up and down, you know? Just swirling the eyeshadow from left and right. Here is up and to the side like this, but this way it's more like this, and then you just do that. And you can kind of see like this is like a little bit harsher line, so you could put a little bit on it, but also just do that. Okay, so then after you do that, grab this fluffy brush right here, and I'm gonna grab a little bit of that brown product, that rust, and just mix it with that, just so it won't look very harsh. After that, I'll be using my MAC pigment, which this is like my favorite color, and it's a very simple color too. This is MAC pigment Naked, and obviously, I mean, it's pretty old, kind of, like you can see. I had this since freshman year of 2005, 6, 7, 5, 2000 I'm old. Anyways, but I'll be using that, and I'll be mixing that with my sugar liquid, which is, I mean, you could just put a little bit of this, and with that loose pick, you just dip it on with color, and I'll be placing that color on my eyelid. My eyelid is that little, I have very small eyelids, so I'll bring a little bit closer. So from here, oh, sorry, right here. So my eyelid is from right here to the bottom. So then I'll start just coloring this whole little patch right here. So all this. So basically where you open and close your eyelid, or your eye, yeah, your eye. And you do this. And you basically just cover your whole eyelid. So you see that? And from there, you just have to like let it dry. My Morphe liquid eyeliner, and this is and I don't know, I tend to do a lot of liquid eyeliner. I can't do pencil. Like, no, I like a very crisp cut crease like this, or this one right here. I'll be taking that, and I'll be using a small little, this kind of pencil liner, and then from there I'm just gonna start from the middle and just go towards the end of the eyelid. I hope you guys can see this. Your waterline ends, you're gonna lift this way. So your waterline ends right there, and then what you want to do is just pull it out this way. And then you'll kind of start seeing, and then seeing the little triangle. So you see that, and then after that, it's basically you're just coloring the eyelid right here, which this is like the easiest part. But you start So then, once I do that, I will get my mascara. And I'll be using this NYX product. So this, I'll just put a couple strokes just to coat the eyelashes. And then from there, I'll be using Ardell Wispies. And these are, man, if you know me, you know. But these are the most natural looking eyelashes I've ever gotten. As if you could tell, perfect eyelashes. And I've been using these since I was in high school. So, you know, they are the shit. Oh, I always keep forgetting these this side. Which this one's the Rubbish, and this is the softer, I don't know, I feel like it's a softer coloring eyeshadow. And this one I'll place a little bit underneath my eyelid, so I'll be, if you see that, yeah. So I'll be doing that. After that, there is called Nabla Magic Pen, and it's a dark nude. So it's like this eyeliner, and that eyeliner, I will be placing that under my water lid. I hate that part. I hate this part. I hate. And then after I do that, I'll be taking my mascara. Now I'll be placing a little bit of the mascara under the bottom of my eye. And that's pretty much, yep, that's pretty much it.